Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Adobe After Effects render with Media Encoder step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Create or import a composition that you want to render. Once your composition is ready, go to the menu bar at the top. Click on Composition to open the drop-down menu. Select Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. Adobe Media Encoder will launch automatically. If it doesn't, open Adobe Media Encoder manually. In the Media Encoder window, find your added composition in the queue. You will see various settings for your render. Choose your preferred output format from the Format drop-down. Adjust your output settings as necessary. Click on the output file path to specify where you want to save the rendered file. Make sure all settings are configured according to your project requirements. Once everything is set, look for the green play button in the upper right corner. Click the green play button to start the rendering process. You can monitor the progress in the Media Encoder interface. Once the render is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. Locate your rendered file in the folder you designated earlier. That's how you authorize Adobe After Effects to render through Media Encoder, step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.